Welcome. Ready to navigate the Hemp Temps app with ease? Let's dive into how you can find and manage jobs right from your device. First, log into the Hemp Temps app at app.hemptemps.com. Once you're in, click Jobs on the left navigation bar. Here, you'll see a list of available jobs. You can filter these jobs by location, date, job type, and more to find the perfect fit for you. Found a job that interests you? Great. Click on it to view the job details. This includes everything you need to know: job type, location, pay rate, and more. Choose the job you'd like to work and look for the green Pick Up Shift button. You can select jobs by the day or week. Just click to claim your spot. After picking up a shift, you'll get additional details like arrival notes and job tips. These ensure you're fully prepared and ready to go. Always check the pay rate before picking up a shift. It can vary widely. Make sure it meets your expectations so there are no surprises later. Remember, if you make a mistake, simply hit the red Drop Shift button to release the shift back to the pool. When you apply for a job, the business will be notified and can either approve or deny your application. If approved, your shifts will appear on the My Jobs page. To access this, simply click on My Jobs from the navigation menu on the left. Once there, you can switch between calendar and expanded views, offering a convenient way to visually manage your opportunities. And there you have it. You're now a pro at navigating jobs in the Hemp Temps app. Stay sharp and seize those opportunities.